holiday. My name is Edith. Welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. So you guys know that we are in winter. You know that this is a flu season and a lot of people have sore throats, coughing, so I am here to share with you the tonic that I usually drink with my entire family during the flu season. So this is the tonic. I use a mason jar and 1 tablespoon once a day. Okay. So yeah, now I know you want to know how I make this tonic. So this was for sore throat. And what we need 1 onions, ginger, a tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 lemon, 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 chili pepper. All right, let's dive into it. So you are going to cut your onions, chop it. We need honey and also we need a mason jar to use for this. The onions make you cry sometimes. All right. Put it in your mason jar, okay? You need your ginger. Okay. Chop the ginger. Tablespoon of it, okay? Tablespoon of ginger, add it to your mason jar. Then you need your crushed garlic. 5 cloves of garlic. That's what you need. Okay, 5 cloves of garlic, chop it. Then add it to the mason jar. Then add your pepper, your chili pepper to it. I'm using just 1 because it's really, really hot. Yes. Then you need your lemon juice. Squeeze your lemon juice into the mason jar. Really get all the juice out completely. Okay. Juice. All right. Then add a little honey. 2 tablespoons of honey, guys. 1, 2. If you have apple cider vinegar, you can use. If you don't have, you can use honey, okay? So keep in a room temperature for 1 day. Then the next day, put it in the refrigerator. 1 tablespoon is good to go, okay? First time here, I want to encourage you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to our healthy information weekly. Okay guys, happy holiday to you. May your very wish come true. Hi followers, I want to thank you. Without you, I will not be where I am today. So this is flu season. Please stay hydrated. Drink your 8 glasses of water daily. Do your hand hygiene very well. If you have sore throat, take 1 tablespoon of this tonic. I call it the flu blast. Okay, go about your activity for the day. So till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.